In a move shaking the academic world, the Trump administration has taken an unprecedented step, revoking Harvard University's right to enroll international students. This decision could force thousands to leave the US or scramble for alternatives. But what triggered such a bold action? Well, let us break it down. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. So what exactly happened at Harvard? Well, on Friday, the Department of Homeland Security announced Harvard can no longer host or enroll international students. Now, this affects nearly 6,800 foreign students, most in graduate programs from over 100 countries. So why did Trump administration do this? Now, you must know that the Department of Homeland Security has accused Harvard of a number of things. First of all, it has accused Harvard of failing to comply with federal reporting requirements, then allowing an unsafe environment for Jewish students. Further, it has accused it of hosting anti-American pro-terrorist agitators and further collaborating with Chinese Communist Party and training Chinese paramilitary members. Now, what was Harvard's response to this? Well, Harvard has called the move unlawful and retaliatory. It said that the action threatens academic freedom and the university's mission. The university is currently working on guidance for affected students, but can government really do this? Well, the answer is yes. The US government controls which colleges can issue visas to foreign students. Harvard is now being removed from the student exchange and visitor program, which means that it can no longer sponsor student visas. So what does it mean for foreign students? So current international students who haven't graduated must do the following. They can either transfer to another school or leave the United States. Those graduating this semester can still finish their studies. However, the restrictions start with 2025-2026 academic year. So what's next? Well, this decision marks a major escalation in the Trump administration's clashes with elite institutions. As Harvard pushes back, the future of thousands of students and the broader academic landscape hangs in the balance. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.